extrajudicial killing. Extrajudicial killings in
Balochistan.
And enforced disappearances in disappearances in and enforced disappearances in and extrajudicial killings in and extrajudicial killings in
Yeah, as you can see, a protest demonstration is going on behind me. The Baloch National Movement has conducted various events during 61st Human Rights Council session of United Nations. As a part of this campaign, multiple interventions were intervened in United Nations, and yesterday we had side events in which our party chairman he discussed the issues which Baloch Nation is facing, and also we had meetings with United Nations working groups. Today we had a rally from Geneva City Center to Broken Chair, and we have got a photo exhibition. The reason for this photo exhibition is to portray or to show the true picture of human rights situation in Balochistan, what's going on in Balochistan, to the public of Switzerland, to the diplomats, to the international community. And tomorrow we will have an international conference in which different experts, politicians, human rights defenders, they will participate. They will address the conference and bring their insights what's going on in Balochistan. So this campaign is running till next week. Next week we will have more interventions, more meetings. The reason to run such kind of campaigns on international platform is to get more attention towards the cause of Baloch nation, to highlight the human rights violations in Balochistan, the collective punishment. We have saw a surge in collective punishment cases. The families of Baloch activists have been disappeared. To pressurize Baloch activists, Baloch leaders to stop their activities. And Baloch nation has one message to the Pakistani state, that whatsoever you do, the resistance will continue.
People are being killed on daily basis, and only this month, sorry, the last month, 20.
and enforced disappearances in and enforced disappearances in and enforced disappearances in and extrajudicial killings.
Today, the Baloch National Movement has organized a protest rally from the Geneva City Center to the Broken Chair, which followed with a photo exhibition, and then a protest was held outside the United Nations office in Geneva. The protest rally, the photo exhibition and the protest demonstration in front of the Broken Chair aimed to highlight what is happening in Balochistan. The Balochistan currently facing a worst kind of genocide. In the last year only, there was cases of over 1,300 people were abducted. These are the reported cases by the Pakistani state from various parts of Balochistan. At the minute, there are over 7 Baloch women which are under the detention of Pakistani state. The leader of Baloch Ekjati Committee are in Pakistani jail without a fair trial. Also, only in last month, over 20 people were killed in fake, extrajudicial way, in fake encounters, calling them they were militant, but later turned out to be previously abducted Baloch people. And this is the reality the Baloch National Movement is trying to show the world, and to tell the world to not turn a blind eye on Balochistan. Look at what is happening in Balochistan and make sure that they are listening to the voices of the voiceless people, and they are supporting the cause of Baloch freedom.
is the parenting age.